Does tretinoin only work on bone dry skin, or can you use it after toner, serum, or moisturizer? That's today's audience question. So dry skin helps with tolerance, not efficacy. Dermatologists agree that applying tretinoin on dry skin lowers your irritation risk, but it doesn't make it work any better. They're doing this to protect you as you start with a very potent prescription that is known to cause irritation when you first start it. So using it on damp skin is actually going to help it absorb deeper and therefore increase your irritation risk, which may mean more peeling, more redness, etc. And the likelihood of you sticking with it for the long term is lower if your skin starts looking worse than before you started tret. So everybody is advised to start on dry skin no matter what. And in case you're wondering, well, does toner really enhance absorption? Then yes, the answer is yes. You can go to my skincare basics playlist and look up my toners post that actually goes through all the studies that show that damp skin actually helps with penetration. So that answers it for toners, but are serums or moisturizers going to hamper it? And the answer is no. There are some studies that were done that actually show that barrier repair moisturizer before tretinoin reduced peeling and improved outcomes over 8 weeks. And improving outcomes means that there was a difference in the quality of the skin in terms of what type of renewal was going on, as well as how long people were able to stick with it without irritation. So what's the bottom line? Tretinoin works whether your skin's dry or it's layered with some type of serum or moisturizer. It's the consistency of the use of your retinoid that matters. So if you're going to adjust the order, whether it's I want to use tret right after cleansing or I want to use tret all the way in the end or somewhere in between, adjust it for your comfort, not for efficacy.